Hi, I'm Jennifer, and I'm so happy you're here today because today I'm going to be showing you how I store and organize all of my Christmas decorations and my gift wrap and wrapping supplies. I would be so happy if you hit the like button and subscribe. Well, friends, it's that time again. It's time to start putting away our Christmas decorations and our Christmas trees. After all these enjoyable weeks of having these things out to see every day, it's time to get them put away at the new year. I always like to have them put away and get the house all cleaned up to start the new year. I start putting my tree ornaments away first and the Christmas trees because these are the biggest things that take the longest amount of time. And the other little things I can put away gradually and take my time. It's a really great idea to let the family know that you're going to be putting away decorations and let them know a few days in advance. And that way you can make sure they're there prepared to help. I always put a small table or card table in my living room, and then I put the tote right on top with all the ornaments. This is the tote that I have labeled Big Tree because it's the big tree in my great room. And I take tissue paper, most of the time tissue paper that was out of the gifts I had just received. I set it aside, and then I can have a wrapping station. And instead of taking all of the ornaments to one location and wrapping them, I just lay the paper out, put the ornament on, wrap it, and put it directly right in the tote. It's a really quick way to do it and a big time saver. I always love to buy flat ornaments because they don't take up very much room, so it's quick and easy to wrap them up, and then I can just easily put them right in the tote and keep on going. I just go from one ornament to the next instead of moving them from one location to another. I can quickly wrap them and put them in the tote. Not all of the ornaments need to be wrapped. Not all of them are delicate, so I'll just lay them right in the bottom of the tote. I have some bubble wrap in there. I'll just lay them all out nicely and then just lay a piece of tissue paper in between each layer. I just keep layering the tote until all of my ornaments are put away. In this tote, I have some Christmas items to decorate with, and I didn't even take them out and use them. I haven't used them in the last few years, and they're still in here just taking up room. I'm going to take these out and box them up and take them to the donation center. My donation center takes Christmas decorations all year long, so I can wrap them up and take them and drop them off and have this tote empty for other ornaments and decorations that I just purchased this year. I always make a Christmas card to lay right in the top of each bin. That way, when I close the lid, I can not only see what's in the tote, but it also shows me that it's Christmas. Once I finish with one tree, I just have the card table moved right over by the next tree. Then I set a tote right on top of the card table and get more tissue paper and start wrapping the ornaments and putting them directly in the tote. Thanks, Alan.
You're welcome.
I really like having my storage bins the same size. That way they all stack nicely in the closet. Don't forget to remove all of your batteries from your battery-operated lights. You don't want the batteries to corrode and ruin your lights. Although Christmas tree storage bags are available, we choose to keep our Christmas trees in their original boxes. This way we can stack them neatly on the shelf in the garage. I always keep my Christmas ornaments and decorations inside my house in storage totes. However, my Christmas greenery is just fine stored in totes on a shelf in the garage. A metal wall hook is a perfect place to store our wreaths. This way we don't have to take up extra containers or space to store them anywhere else. I ordered these really nice canvas totes on Amazon a couple of years ago. They're really great for storing soft things, Christmas stockings, tree skirts, and pillows. and they even stack on a shelf. These canvas tote bags fit so nicely on shelves in any closet. I really love using pillow slip covers during the holidays. This way I don't have nearly as many pillows to store. I can easily change the slip covers and use the pillows for other occasions. I usually keep my rolls of gift wrap in a basket standing up. However, this year I have some really nice rolls of gift wrap that I got on clearance at Hobby Lobby and some other gift wrap that I already had. I have quite an assortment of gift bags as well. I'm going to use this under the bed storage tote to put all of my gift wrap items for Christmas. And this way I can push them right under the bed and pull them out easily. They won't take up any room in the closet. This storage bag is great. It holds all of my gift bags. It has 2 large gift bag pockets, and I can even put all of my new sheets of tissue paper right in the bottom. And of course the gift wrap right in the middle with the tie straps to hold it in place. Here are some other really great ideas for storing gift wrap. I hope you found all of these ideas to be helpful and useful, and I would be so happy if you hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.